Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do live match with someone on your TikTok. So what you have to do first is go to your TikTok application. As you can see, I am on my TikTok account right here, and what I'm going to do is go to my profile. Then I'm going to click on this plus symbol in the bottom. Now as you can see, you should be taken to this page right here. So let's say that I would now like to be able to do live match with someone on TikTok. I need to firstly click where it says live right here to be able to go live. So I'm just going to click on go live. So we are going to wait 3 seconds and then I'm going to be able to go live, as you can see. So perfect, now I am live. What I'm going to do now is to do live match with someone is to click right here where it says host. So click on host, and as you can see, host a live with others. So what you can do right here is to find a person that you want to be able to do a live match with. So for example, you can just find a random person in here that you want to be able to do a live match with, then click on invite. After they have accepted your invite, then you will get, as you can see, there is like this message in here where you can see all the messages. You will get an option to invite them to do a live match together. Right now nobody is like going live with me, as you can see, but when they do, you will be able to see the option in here to be able to invite them to do a live match after they have accepted your live invite. So this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.